$8,500, you guys. That's how much now for the belts. I don't have any larges left in stock. I only have mediums left. 8,500, and you do get the workout program with it, the fat loss guide, the at-home workout fat loss guide. You do get that workout program with it. I'm delivering in Portmore, Kingston, Spanish Town, Nuttall Express, country. There is a charge for delivery. It's between 500 and 1,500. If I come in Kingston, I have 15 bills. In a Portmore, 5 bills. Spanish Town, $1,000. Not on the website. I'll be selling them right as well. So if you want to purchase a fitness belt, you can go ahead and message me. But I got double band right now because of the weekend, and I'm just getting over my female issue, and you know how I blow. But yeah, I can't wait to start back the gym. This is the first design, the older design. This is the new design.